Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. It's the 23rd of June 2015, and I'm Tamar Mehr. Now, as traders, we are always after the best trading opportunities in the market. However, those opportunities don't always come from the same market that we are used to trade. So, if we're used to trade the US market and we like to trade the Dow or we would like to trade the S&P, and the Dow and the S&P at the moment, they're really sitting in a band. So, let's take a quick look at the daily here on the Dow, and what we can see here is that there is no clear direction, there is no clear decision of where this market wants to go. We see that we have this strong level of resistance sitting around here around the 18,150 or 18,200, and then we have the bottom area of this channel around the 17,600 and a bit above here around the 17,700. There is no clear direction on the daily, there is no strong momentum to this market, so it's very hard to trade a market that doesn't have a strong momentum in certain direction as trend followers. We can certainly go down the time frame into 1 minute and 2 minutes and 5 minute charts and look for opportunities. But what if you like to trade a higher time frame type of trading? Then we need to look for other markets, and I want to show you today different markets that are on my watch list and perhaps open some other opportunities for you. So first up, I want to look at the Nikkei. The Nikkei had some really strong day yesterday and also for the start of today. So let's have a look at the daily, and you can see that the Nikkei has been in a beautiful uptrend. We came up into this level of 2700 there's about. We found resistance. We spent a lot of days around this area and we started to pull back and almost look like we are going into a downtrend. However, we rejected this low around this area and now we're pushing higher. A break above this level will signal a continuation of this trend. So what I'll be looking for is, as the market break up through this level, I would look for a pullback into this level on the lower time frame for a trading opportunity to the upside. Now let's just take a quick look at the monthly and see where we can run this market through. So we need to scroll back quite a long way away, and you can see that over here from the year 2000 backward, we actually found resistance at this 21,000 level. So we can definitely see this market, after breaking this level on the daily, going up and test this 21,000, the strong level of resistance here on the monthly. So this market is very high on my watch list and looking for a pullback, test this level on the daily, and to join this market on the lower time frame. Currently you can see from the 1 hour we are overextended, and I would like a pullback, test this level, and then look for a continuation of this uptrend. Another market that I find quite interesting is the Chinese market, and what I'm looking here is rather different. So the Chinese market has been very strong. You can see we've been in a strong uptrend all the way here, quite impressive percentage gain over the past year, and then we came up and we found resistance at this level of 5400. We couldn't break this level and then we started to fall from it. We also had this level around the 47 or 4800, around this area. You can see we had this area here as touches as resistance and then support around here and then support over here. On Friday, we actually broke quite strongly and quite decisively from this level, and now we're pulling back into it. So I'll be looking down the time frame and I'll be looking to see if I can get a trading opportunity, either as the market reject this level and then a continuation to the downside, or it could be because we do have a very strong uptrend here up until this area. It could be that the market will actually, this was just a reaction, and then the market will come back into this level, into this area, started to uptrend on the lower time frame, and then I would look to trade this market to the upside until this level of 54. Trending market and a beautiful market to look for trading opportunities. You can see we are in a nice downtrend here on the 4 hours, and we're right now pulling into the sell zone on this time frame. Another market that has been quite smashing yesterday is the DAX. So the DAX, and I want to take first a look at the monthly. So on the German index, if we have a look at the monthly, beautiful uptrend. We had a big push January, February, and March of this year, and then we started to downtrend or basically pulling back. Currently, this month we have a rejection candle. It's a nice bullish candle on the monthly sitting here in the buy zone. Yes, we still have about a week to go for this month, but currently this month looks quite bullish, and a break above the high of this candle next month will signal a continuation of this uptrend. Coming down into the daily, we don't have a clear direction. We can see that we do have levels around here that have been broken, so perhaps let's just mark that in, and that offers us a really nice trading opportunity as the market come to test this level, reject them, and push higher, and then come down again, push higher, all through this trading in between this level on the lower time frame offer quite nice trading opportunities. So let's see what we had here. We started to downtrend. We had a rejection candle over here of this level around the 11,300, and then pushing lower, but we found resistance at this 10,800 level, and then we pushed higher. Yesterday, massive strong day, and we closed above this level right now around this middle of this range between this 11,300 and 11,700. Now, with this market and with all the hype around Greece, will they, won't they default, yes, no, what's going to happen, this is quite a volatile market. So I'll be looking for very short-term trading opportunity on this market. We can see these big moves that come in here, they're very much infused by news, so we can still go ahead and look for lower time frame for trading opportunity, but we need to be aware that there is an increased risk with the situation that comes out of Greece. So when you're using a trading strategy that doesn't limit you to a certain market or to a certain time frame, you can really cherry pick your opportunities and look for the best trending market. So if you want to learn more about how we trade here at Trade with Precision, then please join us on our next free webinar. The topic is high performance trading for a busy lifestyle, and what we're going to look at in this webinar is basically a strategy that is suited for any market and any time frame, and that really opens for us endless trading opportunities. We can also look to see how we can trade without spending every waking hour in front of the computer. So if you like the sound of that, please join us on this webinar. It's going to run on 2 different time zones, so there will be one that will match your preference better. And one is on the 23rd of June at 8 p.m. Auckland, 6 p.m. Sydney, and 9 a.m. London. The second one is also on the 23rd of June, but on 8 p.m. London, 3 p.m. New York, and 5 a.m. Sydney, and 7 a.m. Auckland on the next day. Wishing you a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.